So this is our school dashboard. The community section, you can leave questions in at any time. Remember that we're here to help you. In the classroom section is where you can take, of course, the course modules. We're going to be doing so much in here. I'll teach you about how employers will search for you in the modern age, how face recognition, voice recognition works. We'll get really advanced. And then eventually, when we have enough members, we'll start doing our own meetings. There's also leaderboards so you can see who's actually consuming the content, which is really cool. But I want to show you right now resources. This is going to help you with web suppression. Please start here. Before we get into anything advanced, make an account. Usually we'll make a Google account because that's where we do Google Drive. We build a Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok. We call this, at least internally, the works. These are all the social platforms that will generally rank on the first page. I want you to know how they rank. Every time you publish something, it's not guaranteed to rank. I've done this for 10 years. The way to assume something is going to rank, and I have a gut feeling, somebody who plays darts or tennis or is a boxer, you kind of know how things rank, should feel like, what they should look like, move and pivot to get things to work, okay? Different reputation and also offensively. It's almost like boxing. That's a great analogy. Now, the Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, just because you created them, they're not going to rank. Google pulls in metrics like followers, content. Did you use AI to populate all of your posts? Okay, but it's not as trusted. So the best thing to do is, again, build that site as your primary asset. Make sure it's filled up. It's really about you and it makes sense. You have your email and then you go and create these other accounts. Ask yourself, which one do I feel the most comfortable populating? Those of you that know me or found me through online content would say, okay, now there's a lot of YouTube videos. So I would make sure that YouTube video and the H1 tag and the account, that it actually has my name in it. Then I would go and I would make a YouTube video a day, or I'd make 3 YouTube videos a week, and then I just publish there. So as you build your online presence, I wouldn't just simply try to build everything and spread yourself thin, because this is a lot of networks, and these don't rank as well, okay? Here I'll have to reorganize this because, I'll have to reorganize this because, for example, SlideShare does rank very well, okay? It's not Gravatar, does not. About Me often ranks well. So, these work well, but the best ones are these. And so I would start, okay, YouTube videos all the time, tweeting more often, getting more followers. And I would stick here for even a couple of months, unless you're in some sort of rush. Now, if you are in a rush, you can continue through this course and learn more, but these are your first owned web assets. These are your first resources. There is advanced article suppression, long-form written content, journalistic style content, which we do as guest posts, but that's for later. That's a bit more advanced. Start here, build the website, set up the socials, and if you want to schedule socials, you can actually go to Buffer. Buffer will allow you to schedule social media all on one platform. You can also do it within the platform itself. So just keep that in mind. Start scheduling posts. Build a real presence. If you have that second website, you can build more content around a business or a second idea or your artwork. I've seen clients write about sports. So build that out, and now you have the infrastructure for a positive online reputation.